Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Workato recipes for CRM enrichment workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Workato account. Go to the Recipes tab from your dashboard. Click on the Create Recipe button to start a new project. Choose the trigger app that will initiate your CRM enrichment workflow. Select the trigger event that will start the recipe. Connect your chosen app by authenticating your account. Once connected, configure the trigger details according to your needs. Next, add an action by clicking on the plus symbol below the trigger step. Search for your CRM application from the available options. Select the action event that corresponds with your enrichment goals. Authenticate your CRM account if prompted. Now, set up the parameters for your action event. Map fields from your trigger to your CRM based on the data you want to enrich. To add additional enrichment steps, click the plus icon again. You can integrate other tools for data validation or enhancement. Repeat the authentication process for any new applications. For each added action, ensure you configure the parameters correctly. Once all actions are set, review your recipe for accuracy. Check for any required fields that might be missing. Next, test your recipe to ensure it functions as expected. If the test is successful, you are ready to turn the recipe on. Click the toggle switch to activate your completed recipe. Monitor the recipe's performance in the dashboard for ongoing improvements. If needed, adjust any parameters based on observed outcomes. Regularly check for updates or changes in connected applications that may affect your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.